What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrench Avengers. So, it's been a while since I have made a video, since like before Christmas. I'm making this video just to let you guys know I'm not dead. I'm just being really slow about making videos. Although today's video isn't very much, it's pretty much just some bullcrap that I come up with, just gave me something to do. Wanted to make a video, let you guys know that I'm not dead, still here. I intend to try to get back into the swing of things, but it could be a little bit. One thing before we get started here, I noticed there was a good handful of people that went ahead and subscribed to the channel, even during that time that I wasn't making any videos. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, and then all the other guys that have subscribed beforehand, I appreciate that as well. It's awesome. We're up to like 200 and some now, which is great. I appreciate it a whole lot. So anybody here that actually follows my Instagram will know that Peter, my 1986 Chevy C10, is in my dad's shop getting painted right now. And actually currently the bed is off of the truck. I'm planning to have some videos of the painting and maybe some of the work that we're doing on that, but I'm going to try to wait till the whole truck's done and then put it together in one big video, or maybe 2 videos or something to show that process and show the truck after it's finished. It should look really nice. So, as I said before, the bed is actually off of the truck, and I got a new reciprocating saw for Christmas, and I thought I really wanted to use it, so what better way than to fix the exhaust on the truck. But before we get in there and start hacking off the exhaust, I took a quick clip of what the exhaust sounds like right now, just so we can have a before and after. Maybe we make it better, maybe we make it worse. We'll find out. So now that we've got a baseline, let's go ahead and start hacking up that exhaust. Man, it went through that shit like butter. Let's hack off the other side. There it goes. All right. Oh, that's gross. A little bit of condensation, no big deal.
Screw turn downs, let's go turn ups.
Turned ups. Yeah, dude, turn downs are for pussies. Turn down for what? Turnips.
Turnips?
Everybody likes turnips.
Turnips?
I think it'd be okay. The other thing you gotta think about is once the bed's on here,
You won't see it.
it's gonna, well, you're not gonna see the one, yeah, but it's gonna squat a little bit more. So it's gonna put this a little bit more past that once the whole thing is squatted down a little bit. So, I think it'll work just fine. We'll clean up the edges. Clean up the edges of it and then bolt it on up. Got it all cleaned up. We're gonna pop them on now with these perfect sealing exhaust clamps. This is what they're made to do. This might not be easy to do by myself. Oh, yeah, perfect. Oh, well, okay then. That's gonna save me like an hour. I guess until it clamps, until it crushes, and then
Till it breaks.
until it breaks. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, now that we got our turnips turned down, let's see if it sounds any better. Start, damn it.
2,000 years later.
Come on! Do it! Yeah, that sounds way better.
Way better.
That's a little smoky now. So, that's it for this video. I know it really wasn't much, but it's all I really had time to do, and like I said, I don't really have anything else to show you guys right now. Coming up, we should get the truck painted here pretty soon. Then we'll have some videos more related to the painting of the truck. Pretty soon I got a video about the Honda Civic's valve clearance that I discussed in this video up there. There's more to that, and hopefully I'll have that video out pretty soon. I just need the time to actually work on it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Tell me if you think the exhaust sounds better now, or if it sounded better before. I'm just curious to know what your guys' thoughts are on it. Be sure to check out the Instagram. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you disliked it. If I could learn how to talk, that'd be great. And then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.